If you love to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to A Moment of Piano. If you enjoyed learning the beautiful classical Intermezzo by Mascagni in our earlier tutorial, you might like to try this duet video. This time, you'll only hear the piano accompaniment and you can take the solo with the melody. If you'd like to learn this late beginner piano arrangement with me first, please head to the link above, or perhaps you'd like to sight read along. The sheet music's on screen throughout, but if you'd like to download a free copy, please head to the link below. Remember to take it easy and enjoy this chance to play. Okay, off we go. And there we are. Thank you so much for joining me for A Moment of Piano. To hear about new videos, please feel free to subscribe below. Have a lovely day.